Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you are all good at home. These pandemic situations, you think you learn more things from home with your sibling and families. By the way, myself, I am Anjanayak, art teacher, TWRJC, Kottur, Rangareddy district. Today I am going to teach a logo design on color theory and drawing. So let's start with a small story. Dear student, I am showing one picture. It's a drawing which is illustrated by me. So I show the drawing. The drawing has about market. The market was fish market. This is a fish market, right? So the fish seller usually sell the fishes. One of the innocent customer come to ask the fisherman, "Hey fisherman, what you are selling? I need a 1 kg tomato." It's a silly thing, right? So the fisherman got shocking. Why? Because he asking the tomatoes. No. So after that he thought, okay, I want to put something signboard on my shop. Okay, shall we put her name? Put on the shop signage. So what is that? We write on the sign something. Fishes sold here. Okay. So we need to communicate the message, or we need to communicate the concept. So we need to drawing. Okay, we need to show to the drawing. Okay, obviously drawing has a, what is the drawing? Drawing is a drawing. Yes. Drawing mean it is a creative way to express the feeling and thought of an artist or designer. Drawing can be sketch or plan or a design, a graphic representations. Okay. So how many type of drawings? Types of drawings. First one, illustration drawing or still life drawing. Or object drawing. Or stick figure drawings, and as well as number of drawings we have. So basically we start with the object drawing. Okay, there are some still illustration drawings, still life drawing, and object drawing, analytic drawing, stick figures drawing, diagrammatic drawings, geometrical drawings, perspective drawing, and architectural drawings, as well as cartoon, caricature, and animation drawings, as well as photorealistic drawing also, and fashion design drawings and memory drawings. So we have a number of types of drawings, right? So we learn about the object drawing. See, my dear students, before going to the object drawings, you learn the surface, and you have to observe the surface of the object, and what is the metal it has, and what is the shape it has. So you can learn the, first of all you have to observation, you make eye on the objects, then you get the information about the object. Then we start with the object drawings. So when you draw the object drawings should be keep your eye level. Okay, you compose in the one drawing sheet. you can take the A3 size, okay, and you draw it paper size. So this is the A3 paper. So you draw a baseline, then you start as exactly symmetrical line. As you shown here, the objects have a basic shape. This is the object drawing. Okay. So you have to take the lighting source. So you think lighting source from this side, object right side or left side. So then lighting will be fall this area. Okay, exactly lighting will fall this area. So object look like a very lighter area here. Then we shadow it. We make already you learn the hatching lines, right? Last class maybe. So you draw with the lines. Then this is we called it highlight. What do you call? Highlight. And we called it off tone. Again we make it darker area because of let's see the object. This is the half tone. This is the core shade, which is the darker area. We called it core shade. Then this part we call it reflected light reflected area, or maybe this is the shadow. When the light is falling on the object, the object shadow opposition direction. Where is the shadow? Shadow cover is object oppositions, lighting oppositions. So we called it cast shadow. So basic thing, you have to understand the object while you drawing. So then one more thing you need to note here. So here, what is the texture of object? What is the shape of object? And metal also, you know, metal. So metal also you have to note down, right? So what is the texture? Texture is the glass texture is smooth. What is the shape? Spherical shape. What is the metal? Metal made up with the glass. So some objects have a pot metering, clay molding. I mean, made up with the clay, and some of the objects having the steel objects. Some of the objects, and we know that what is the content in the object drawing. Okay, then we start with another drawing. we start with the perspective drawing. Perspective drawing, majorly used in architectural students. So, you draw one horizontal line. You are going to draw a street. Okay. So, this point to this point, you add a vanishing point. We called it VP. Okay. Vanishing point. This is the one point perspective drawings. What you are doing? One point perspective drawings. Okay. Let us start the parallel lines. These are your canvas area. You fill up with what you seen in the street. When you go to the street, the perspective, what is the perspective mean? Perspective drawing is a three-dimensional drawing. Perspective drawing is a three-dimensional drawing. That one, the closer object, a closer object look nearby you, and where is the some of the buildings look very far. So we are going to do some buildings. Add some hoardings. You have to create the what exactly look like in a street. You have to finish the near to the vanishing point. Okay. This is the road divider. This is the one point perspective drawings. Next one is my dear friends, my dear students, we have a colors. We talk about the colors. Bhimbetka cave paintings. We found it. The Dr. V.V. Vakankar was discovered at the Madhya Pradesh. It is located at the Madhya Pradesh. You can see the picture, this Bhimbetka cave paintings. The ancient people ancient people were draw their line through with colors and some geometrical shapes. The you know, the drawings are majorly have a hunting scenes and celebrating, and some of the animals forms are presented at the Bhimbetka cave paintings. Is the major cave painting is almost you know, what is the color they use? The color use natural colors. What are the natural colors? The natural colors is you know, Bhimbetka cave painting, Bhimbetka rock shelters. It is located at the Raisan district in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, about 45 kilometers southeast of Bhopal, and also it is a UNESCO heritage site. Some of the shelters were inhabited more than 1 lakh year ago. You can see the picture. Have some white colors and grey colors, you know, and red colors. They majorly use the color palette was the 5 colors. Those are red, brown, yellow, and white, black. So, you know, my dear friends, this cave are in. First of all, the Dr. W. Kinkard is a British scholar. He went to the you know, he went to the cave place, and he gathered the information from the tribals. The tribals referred to the caves. These are caves is a Buddhist site. And another British, our Indian famous archaeologist, he has discovered the cave painting in 1958. The Bhimbetka derived from Bhimbetka. These caves are named after Bhima. Okay, one of the few Pandavas of Mahabharata. Okay. Then just now discuss about the color pigment. What colors they are used in the Bhimbetka caves? The colors are red, yellow, brown, black, and white. So what we are doing right now, we have a colors. Colors is a color theory. We have a primary color, secondary color, tertiary color, and color wheel. First one is the primary color, secondary color, tertiary color, and color wheel. So I will show you. This is the primary colors, you know, yellow, red, and blue. These are the primary colors. Secondary colors is orange, purple, and green. Let's see in the diagram how the color is formed. Take a circle, divide into 3 parts, add a yellow, red, blue. These 3 colors are primary colors. Majorly we source the colors. Color source is only primary colors. We have only primary colors. The secondary colors is when the primary colors mix up with two primary colors, we get the secondary colors. Example, you take the yellow and red, you mix yellow and red, then you got the orange color. Am I right? And red and blue, you get the purple color. Yellow and blue, you got the green color. As usually we presented it orange, purple and green color. So what is the territory colors? Territory colors is territory color. See the picture. This is the primary color. Secondary colors is, these are secondary colors. Territory colors is more fine hue, when the primary colors and secondary colors, we get the territory colors. So those are, in this color wheel we have a number of colors. The colors is purest color. Right now what we get, the primary colors are, look at the picture, territory colors are yellow, orange, or pure orange, red, purple, blue and purple, blue, green, light blue or green and as well as light green. Okay. In the color wheel, the color wheel is an abstract illustrative organizations of color hue around a circle. Those are primary colors, secondary colors and territory colors. See the color chart. We have unlock colors. What is the unlock colors? Any three colors side by side. You think this is the yellow and this is the yellow green, this is the green. So we called it analog color. Analog color. What is the complementary color? Complementary colors is any two colors which are directly opposite each other, such as red and green and purple. These are the complementary colors. What is the complementary color? Opposition colors, If you get here exactly opposite, you get the blue. So we called it yellow and blue, and we called it complementary color. Third one is color hue. What is color hue? Color hue is a pure pigment that means without added any white or black. So what is the in the color wheel? We have a color wheel. In the color wheel, without added, these are the purest color. Purest color. We called it purest color. And also color wheel. In the color wheel, without adding, so tint color. Tint color mean these are the tint colors. When you take a red color, the red color was the purest color, you add a tint. Tint mean white color, drop of white, add it, the color will be changed into lighter. As well as tones. In color, we have a gray color, a gray tone, get the tones. As well as shade. Color shade is a mixture with a black color which increases darkness. Color psychology, some of the colors. We have a cool colors and warm colors. Cool colors are, what is the cool colors? In the color wheel, where you get the green to blue colors, we call it cool colors. Where the yellow to red, we call it warm colors. My dear friends, see the pictures. In ancient day, we have a trade system was barter systems. So they exchange their product with exchange systems. The ancient Egyptians are used to brand domestic animal with a hieroglyphs to mark their ownership. We are now in logo design topic. logo design. We get the Indus Valley script. Some of the 10 signs are visible at the screen. You can see. You cannot understand the what symbols they are used. Okay, we have a pictographical signs. So they communicate with some pictographs. Okay, the ancient people were communicating with some pictographs. Pictograph is the ancient Sumerian and Egyptian Chinese civilizations began to adopt such symbols to concept, developing into them logographic writing system. Right now, which are showing in that roadside signs, information signs. These are a type of topic or used to tell that roads user about the information, such as that one of the destinations, distance, fuel stations, and nearby medical centers and public conventions. See the market, the shop. We have a number of colorful product, so we have to identify with their logo. Okay, what is the graphic design? The art is a visual communications that combine images, words, and ideas to convey information to the audience, especially produce a specific. So logo design, graphic marks, emblems, symbols are company, organizations, or product. We have some logos. We study about SBI logo. The SBI logo is represents the key hole, which means the common man can unlock his breaking needs. Generally, SBI logo was banyan tree when first designed in 1955. The current logo was designed by Shekhar Kamath, National Institute of Designing he is from, and SBI also. You can see the transformation of the logo, Apple logo. The Apple logo and Coca-Cola and KFC, starting to end. So we have a logo design also. This logo, you can see the logo, the Lakshman LA, the eminent artist designed our Telangana logo. The logo was Lalita Kala Toranam, and he green colors. He applied green colors and also as well as golden color around the logo. And mid area, in the middle he fixed in the Charminar and write some typographics. Okay, and we need to draw some. I am going to draw a tribal welfare logo. Already sketched here. So when you go to the when you draw a logos, you have to get some information from the logo. The tribal welfare logo is the tribe people obviously use the arrows. Okay, then the books gives a knowledge. The hilly area, the tribe peoples, tribe students live at tribes hillside area. So the elements taken from the hilly side area. So you draw the sunrises. Sunrise means to give a lighting to the some leaf. Make a golden color border as you shown in picture. Gurukulam text. a very vibrant color used here, and we call it complementary colors. Red and blue presented in that logo. This border has a red color, and the blue color was darker area. The red was directly looking. So thank you, my dear friends, my dear students, to give opportunities. Thank you so much.